Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I asked some of my friends if I should do Bat Freckles or Rhinestone Freckles, and I decided to just merge the two into one look, and I think it came out really nice. So if you want to know how I got this spooky bat Halloween look, then keep on watching. So to start out this look, I'm just going to grab some normal Scotch tape. I'm going to take some and put it on the back of my hand so it's not as sticky. I'm doing that because I don't want it to pull on my skin when I take it off later. I'm just going to put it on the outer corner of my eye so we have a crisp line with the shadows. Alright, I'm just going to say that these are even and get started with the eye look. So I'm just going to prime my eyes with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and my M173 brush. Now that that's all laid down, I'm going to grab an M433 brush and the Makeup of Murder Orange Poison Pigment and put that in my crease and the outer corner. Now that that's all laid down, I'm going to pick up a black shade. For that I'm going to use Urban Decay's Blackout on an M124 brush and just put that in my outer corner. I'm going to take an M166 brush and just blend this into the orange a little bit more. And I'm actually going to pick up a little bit of orange on this brush as well. I'm just going to pack on some more black in that outer corner. Alright, now that this is nice and blended, I'm going to cut the lid and add a shimmer shade. I'm super excited for this. I can't wait for this look to be all completed. I haven't had a moment like this in a long time. I've been in a creative funk for a minute. Halloween is like my favorite season, but it's also my least favorite season because everybody in the makeup industry just like jumps at once and creates like everything that they've been holding back like all year and just really go all out with everything that they want to do, and it's just super overwhelming because I feel like I'm under a lot of pressure to make something awesome and unique and just out of the box, and it's just super hard to do that because like I have so many ideas constantly flowing throughout my brain that I have zero ideas in my brain, if that makes sense. So the fact that I could really see this look coming together and it's going pretty well, I'm super excited. Alright, so we are done with this part of the shadow, so I'm just going to take our tape off to reveal this nice crisp line. Ooh. Alright, now we're going to cut the lid. For that I'm going to use my M421 brush and my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm just going to blend out this concealer into the black with my finger. And I'm going to pack just a teensiest bit of black in the outer corner again. Now on a M224 brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Make and Bank from the Morphe 39S palette and put that on my lid. And I'm going to spray it with a little bit of Urban Decay All Nighter as well. Now I'm going to put Dazzle and Perfection on top of this just to give it a little more extra glow. And then I'm going to put a little bit more black on the outer corner and blend them together. I never use silver shadows, so I am feeling a little weird, but I like it. Alright, now we are going to just pause the eyes and start working on the face. First I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Alright, since the main focus of this look is going to be the eyes and the freckles, I'm just going to apply a very light layer of my foundation. So I'm just going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick in the shade 07 Neutral and my M439 brush. I don't know if you could tell, but my nose is like kind of messed up. I'm not really sure what happened. My boyfriend literally just hugged me from behind and lightly hit my nose. It didn't even hurt that bad when it happened, but it's been sore ever since, and now there's like a bump or a pimple, something starting to form. So it really hurts right now. Only if I touch it though, so it's okay. Now I'm going to lightly conceal the highest points of my face with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 02. And I'm going to be blending this out with my M173 brush. Now I'm going to set everywhere the weight is concealed using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05 on a Morphe E48 brush. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Morphe M527 brush and the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Alright, now I'm going to zoom in so we can finish off the lower lash line. With my M124 brush, I'm going to put the shade Blackout just closest to my lower lash line. Now on an M518 brush, I'm just going to pick up a nude shadow and blend that into the black. And I'm going to put Jeffree Star's Flamethrower in my waterline. So since I don't have a orange mascara, I'm just going to use the applicator of Flamethrower to put some on my lower lashes. Alright, now let's start working on the face. First I'm going to contour using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit and my Morphe E4 brush. So this look is beautiful on its own. Obviously I would just need to put on some lashes, but I think we could kick this up a notch, so let's put on some little bats like Freckles. To create the bats, I'm going to use a M251 brush and a black liquid lipstick. It's so cute. Take pride in your work, folks. Look at how cute this guy is. Oh. Alright, I finished my bats. I'm super happy with them. They're super cute and fresh. I love it. So now we are going to amp up the look even further. So by that, I mean I'm going to add some rhinestones, alright? So I'm going to be using these, there's a lot to choose from. So I'm going to go in with these ones right here. They're just little like oval kind of shaped rhinestones. Let me go back into focus, there we go. So I'm just going to apply those in between where all these bats are. I'm going to apply them with a little bit of lash glue. And I'm going to put one in my inner corners as well, but before I do that, I'm going to put a white shimmer shade in my inner corner. For that, I'm going to use Perfection from the Morphe 39S palette. I'm just going to pick up a little bit on my finger. I'm going to take my highlighting brush, my Morphe M501 brush, and use that same color to highlight underneath my brow bone. And I'm going to highlight my nose and Cupid's bow with this too. Alright, time for rhinestones. I'm so excited. I'm going to be picking them up with just a white eyeliner pencil. So for lips, I'm just going to use the same black lipstick that we used to create the bats. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!